pink pancake recipe. I'll make for you also. Let me make the video first. I shot like this, pura teda abhi tak. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am trainer Nikam. If you want to know more about me, you can visit any of my social handles. They are in the description box below. I know it's been a quite long time. I haven't done any vlog because I did not feel like doing it. I just wanted to take a break from myself because we are in the lockdown again, 2021. So I just wanted to prepare myself because I realized that this kind of or any other kind of situation might go on for next 2 to 3 years because it's a pandemic, and we need to prepare ourselves to work from home and to cope up with the situation mentally. So what I did is I took a break, I prepared myself, I planned out the things which I'm going to do throughout the day and follow that step by step, day by day, week by week. Don't try to grasp everything at once because it's not going to happen. You have to be patient with yourself and give some time and get used to the situation. That's what I did, so you can anytime go on a break. So today I just decided to vlog and it started raining. Just out of nowhere in summer it started raining, but I'm going to continue my vlog even if it disturbs me. So excuse me for that and enjoy the vlog, because in this vlog I'm going to share a very healthy and tasty recipe because I got bored of eating the same food again and again. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So today we are making protein pancakes. So note down the ingredients. Whey protein isolate, you can use whichever you want. Then honey, peanut butter, vanilla essence if you have, then oats, some raisins, then banana and eggs. You can use the quantity jitna pancakes aap banana chahte ho utna. So let's get started. Also note down, I'm gonna use cinnamon, so I'm gonna grind it and make a powder, and I'm gonna roast my oats and then I'm gonna powder them.